Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can pair your AirPods or the AirPods Pro to your new iPhone 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, or 12 Pro Mini. Now, the first thing we need to do first off is have your iPhone ready, and you want to make sure that you have Bluetooth on. So open your settings and then you'll see Bluetooth right there. Make sure it's on. If it's not, just turn the switch to on. And then all you have to do is pretty much just open the case near any one of these phones and just tap connect. And now it's going to give you an option here to press and hold on the button on the back. You can see right there, the button on the back. So we'll press and hold. It's going to begin connecting. And now you can choose to set up the keyword here to bring up Siri. We're not going to do that right now. It's pretty easy. You'll be able to see the battery power on both the case and the AirPods and then tap done. Now when we close the case, we can tap on our Bluetooth. You'll see that the AirPods there are no longer connected. Anytime you open them up and pull them out, they'll connect back automatically. Pretty simple. You can tap the little eye there and you have some options, so automatic ear detection and so on, and you can play around with those features. Now for AirPods Pro, it works the same way. Just open them up like this. You'll see the option here, and you can temporarily share audio. That's another video, but we'll tap connect to iPhone. Again, this time we're going to hold the button on the back. You want to leave the case open when you're doing this. Press and hold. It'll begin connecting. Again, you can set up the Siri command. We won't do that right now. And from here, we actually have some spatial audio, which is new to these AirPods. And if you want to see a video on that, let me know. You can test it, see and hear how it works. We'll tap not now, just for this video, and then tap done. Now, once again, you can go into your settings. You can see that both of them are available to us. When we pull out these AirPods Pro, we have the ability to connect them. So we'll just tap on them to connect. It'll connect automatically when you put them in your ear. If we tap the eye, because we have in-ear detection, if we turn that off, anytime you pull them out, they'll connect pretty much the same, and you have your other settings here for your AirPods Pro as well. So that's how you connect the AirPods to the iPhone 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, 12 Pro Mini, and the original 12 as well. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell notification box to be notified when I post new videos. Pops right up on your phone, and it's free. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.